So the course is designed to meet the ever-changing and ever-growing needs of our offshore wind sector. So it's looking at the management side of it, the data analytics side of it. It's primarily focused on trying to be smarter about how we repair and maintain our wind sector. So it's really focused on data analytics coming from the wind turbines. And it's a massive sector at the moment. It's growing ever so much, and it's important that we upskill and reskill persons now so that we meet the skills need in that sector. There's a huge gap of skills in this sector from all levels of technician right through to the management side, and this critically looks at that management of data at a wind farm management. So this course requires a level 8 honours degree in a cognate area such as engineering, science, computer science, mathematics, physics, that type of relative area. However, candidates can also enter through our RPL route. So if you're experienced at wind farm management, if you've experience in data analytics through your day job, then we can look at your experience and evaluate that against our RPL route. This is a fully online course, so it's 100% delivered online. So students should expect to be online contact between 4 and 6 hours a week, and then typically between 6 and 8 hours a week of your own work outside of that in terms of independent learning. It is a level 9, so independent learning is quite expected. But also it should be noted that all assessment is coursework based. So there's no final exams or anything like that. So you can work at your own pace through those coursework as well with the support of your lecturers online. So the type of person interested in this course would typically be engineers who are working in the energy, the utilities space, or maybe persons who want to upskill in renewable analytics, which is a huge future space and required if we want to meet all our targets within Ireland in terms of SDGs and the renewable space. Typical career opportunities for this would be offshore wind data analyst, renewable asset performance engineer, operations analyst in any of the utilities or energy sectors, or any wind farm management.